Hello CVA families, this is Mrs. Pluta. We are going to explore the course menu of each one of your courses. So I'm going to click over here and we'll take a look at physical education. So when I click on my course, I'm going to see that there are two folders in the physical education course. When I click on materials, it shows me what activities that I have for my course. If I click on updates, it will show any updates that Mrs. Pluta sends out that has to do with just the physical education course. You can also look at your grade book and you can see all the different assignments, and you will also be able to see what grade that you are getting in for the assignment. The mastery is if the teachers put in your learning objectives, then you will see how you have mastered the different objectives for physical education and health. And members, the members key just shows us who belongs in this class. So we're going to go up here to materials, and we are going to go ahead and click on the folder. Now, physical education and health and art are going to appear a little different than math, reading, writing, spelling, science, social studies. Because the physical education and the health activity folder, you will see your whole half of your first semester already on here. You can look at the resources. If you click down through here, you can click any of these and it will show you and give you a tutorial of the physical education activities. Now, this PE waiver, you do not have to worry about the PE waiver. Or I know in some of the courses, the very first thing it's like, get a physical from your doctor and upload your physical. You do not need to do that, and you do not need to do the PE waiver. So what you'll do is once you go through this is more for the adult, the adult learning coach. You can then come down here to the module 1, and it'll just be a course introduction, introduce yourself, course contract, and the course introduction. So what you do is for each module should take you a couple days, or if you want to spend one day and do all the activities, you most certainly can. Physical education, health, and art, the activities are not graded. The activities can be submitted, but there will not be a grade attached to it. It's more of a participation that you participated and you finished the physical education and the art course. These activities need to be done in order. And if it asks you to do any, like get any certain materials that you need to do an activity and you don't have that, please just improvise with something else that you have around your house that could be similar to the activity. The next one we are going to take a look at is what will your math, science, social studies, writing course look like? We are going to take a look at what the math course looked like for last year's CVA program. You will see the very first folder are resources for the math, and again, these are more for your learning coach to go through. The next folder, they are going to be listed by month. And so the very first one is going to be August. This one is August, September. And when you click on it, you will see that they were organized by the week. And then the assignments for the whole week will be posted here. And to access the weekly assignments, you click on that week, and you will see then that another group of folders will open up for each day of the week. This is what is due on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. They do need to be done in order. When you click on the Monday, you can see that the very first activity, when you see this little ruler type thing, that is a lesson. Okay, so this is the math lesson, and then this is going to be the math activity. Now, sometimes when you click on this math activity, it will show you to have like a PDF here. Okay, so like sometimes I will put on PDFs, or I can put on another activity where your child will be able to write directly onto the screen, or it will say submit, and you will take a picture of your workbook page and submit it onto the Schoology app, and then I will be able to look at it. So that is your course overview of what you can find in your courses and how the different courses are laid out. If you have any questions, please either send me a message or you can email me at plutop@carlisleschools.org.